Welcome to the module Introduction to Research. Here I am, Mohammad Sajjad Yusuf Shourab, lecturer, Department of ICTIU. What is research? Research is a systematic investigation or study to discover new knowledge, solve problems, or validate existing theories. What do you need to do research? Because this grows advancement of knowledge, innovation, problem solving, evidence-based decision making. Research is a very simple thing. Just imagine you have a bunch of chocolates and you have to choose one. What do? You have to do a systematic and logical procedure in order to get the answer. Which chocolate do you need? For example, you want to get an admission in the undergraduate study in Daffodil International University. You have many options like ICE, ITM, Triple E, and CSE department. So what will you choose? You have to think scientifically, systematically, and the answer should be verifiable. There are four kinds of researches: basic research, applied research, quantitative research, and qualitative research. Why should we do research? Because this enhances critical thinking, expands our knowledges, and we have to do decision making based on support evidence, and our personal and professional growth also fosters. To pursue our interest and to hone our problem solving skill, we have to do research. There are two kinds of applications of research in higher study and also for the job market. For research opportunity in higher study, so for graduate students or graduate studies, they do thesis. And in job market, this is a valuable skill for innovation and adaptability. This is also a career opportunity. Overview of research process. First, we have to do the problem identification. Then we have to do some background study or literature review. Then we have to design our research. The most important process is the data collection. The result part defines by the data analysis. Then we have to write and present our research. Before presenting our research, we also do peer review and revision. Thus, we get the dissemination and impact of our research. Let's see some research paradigm. First one is positivism. Positivism is a philosophical approach to research that emphasizes objectivity, empiricism, and search for universal laws governing phenomena. Let's give an example. A positivist study in psychology may seek to investigate the relationship between a specific intervention, like cognitive behavioral therapy, and its effect on reducing symptoms of anxiety using standardized assessments to measure the outcome quantitatively. That means this is a quantitative research. Interpretism. Interpretivism, also known as constructivism or hermeneutics, is a research paradigm that emphasizes the subjective interpretation of social phenomena and the role of context, culture, and language in shaping meaning. Let's give an example. An interpretivist study in sociology may aim to explore the lived experiences of marginalized communities and understand social dynamics underlying their identities and interaction using qualitative methods like ethnography or narrative analysis. So this is a qualitative research. Another one is critical theory. Critical theory is a theoretical framework that examines power, dynamics, social inequalities, and systems of domination and oppression with the aim of promoting social justice and transformative change. Let's give an example to make it clear. A critical theory study in education may investigate the impact of standardized testing on perpetuating the education inequalities and reproducing social hierarchies using a mixed method approach to collect both quantitative data on test scores and qualitative data on students' experience and perspectives. That means this is a both-way research, both quantitative and qualitative. Now, what do we know about the quantitative and qualitative research? In its description, qualitative research focuses on exploring meaning, perspectives, and lived experiences using open-ended data collection method such as interviews, observations, and textual analysis. Interpretive analysis. Qualitative researchers analyze data thematically, looking for patterns, themes, and nuances in participants' narratives and experiences to gain insight into complex social phenomena. Contextual understanding. Qualitative studies prioritizes understanding social phenomena within their natural context, emphasizing the influence of culture, language, and social interactions on meaning making. Let's give some example. Ethnography, phenomenography, and grounded theory are common qualitative methods used to explore cultural practices, subjective experiences, and social processes in depth. Quantitative research. Objective measurement. Quantitative research involves the collection and analysis of numerical data, allowing for precise and standardized measurement of variables. Statistical analysis. Quantitative researchers use statistical techniques to analyze data, identify problems, relationships, and associations, and draw generally conclusions. Control and replicability. Quantitative studies often prioritize control over variables and replicability of finding, aiming to establish causal relationship and predict outcomes. Let's give you some examples. Surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis, a common method used in quantitative research to investigate relationships between variables and test hypotheses. Thank you. This is all from this module. See you in the next one.